Hello, this is a tour of my trash Animal Crossing island. So first up here we have like our upper layer and like some stuff in the corner. We have like our horseshoe area to have fun. And then here's like a termite nest. And then here's like our palm trees, a little restaurant area in the corner with some fruit trees. And here's like our public restroom. It's incomplete. It's incomplete. Here's like like our town restaurant or cafe, I guess. And then here's like a hot spring area where you can like sit and relax. This is actually a reference to I think episode 3 or 4 of the anime. Here's like a campsite for like one of my friends who hasn't come over in a while. Here's like a little library area. Oh wait, no, don't change. Okay, then after that we can pop down to like our classroom area, followed by like this little spaceship and our little waterfall feature. This is a money tree I grew and I get to pluck it. Here's like our little toad. And then here's like our public bathroom. Here's like our shopping district. This is the Able Sisters and Nook's Cranny. Next up we have Town Hall. This is like where our town center is. We have some music going on here. Here we have the suburb district. So here we have like Portia's house, Fauna's house, this one, with her own little stuff. Canberra's house, Octavian's house. I think this is Portia's house. That's Hornsby's house. That's Jacques' house. And I'd like to imagine that Jacques' house is like kind of like the club of our island, and I'll show you why in a second. Yeah, you see, it's kind of like a club, so it's like our unofficial club. It looks a bit like French, which is why he's one of my hair villagers. He speaks a bit of French. Okay, so now we're going to go outside. Here's Hornsby house again. Here's Julian's house. This is Teddy's house. This is Lolly's house. And then here we have like a little playground area. And then if we pop down here, we should find my house, which is the best on the island. Here we have like a little waterfall feature, our house, my house. And then here's like my little fruit orchard. You can climb up this to get to my like secret island. So we got like some sushi, something like a barbecue and all that stuff. It's meant to be like a Saunders theme. Basically, it's very chill. And then here we got like a little classroom area with like a utility sink. Here we got our like crude spaceship. And then yeah, I think now we should pop by to my sister's house, and then here's our park area before we go there. Then here, if we go down here, we should find like our racing, here's like our car stop, and ignore these bars. And then that's like our toilet. Okay, then now we pop by to, so we got like this, we just need cook. And then if we pop down right here, we should be able to, this is my sister's house, and I'll give a tour of her house. It's very natural. And then now we should be popping down to the other side of the... Now let's go to the other side of the house, to my house, and then I'll do a tour of my house. The way that I kind of built a house so that it's like kind of enclosed in its own little area that no one can get to. And by the way, I get to decorate the upper layers of the island, so it's currently all on the first layer. There's like a little band kit. like a little telescope for spotting the UFOs. And then now we enter my house. Here we have like my main living room area. We got like a small TV up here. Something inside. Okay, then now this is like my living room area. This is like my bedroom and toilet. Yeah, so we got a gyro in the corner. Here I can like sleep. And I can like roll around. And then I can get on the bathroom. Of course, it's an imperial partition. Those are the really big carpet flooring, so that's nice. And then here's like my RC car set, like my bathtub in the corner. And then here's like my kitchen area, my kitchen style area. Yep, it has like some food. Here's some anchovies. Here's like some grilled sea bass and all that stuff. It's mainly fish. It's a mainly seafood diet for K. And then now we can pop by outside. And then I'll show you some of the other cool stuff we have on the island. There's a lot. So then after that we can go to the museum. We can go to the town hall. So this is Nook's Cranny. I'm just gonna pop by inside to look at what's inside. But my island's natural fruit is apple, but I've got some cherries over. So if you see some cherry trees, don't mind that. So here's some stuff. I'm not really interested in all this. So then I'm gonna pop by outside to go to another place with the Able Sisters. So here's my little museum area. It has like a water fountain, so you can drink some water if you're thirsty. So here's our museum. I'll show you some of the cool stuff we have, like the butterfly exhibits and all that. I don't have all the insects yet, but I should have about most of them now. Vivi is my sister, by the way, and Phonox is me. Yep. And then here's all my other stuff, like here's where some of my fish are, my butterfly exhibits. And then I think I should go to the cafe because then I can get some coffee after some cold hard tankery. So we'll get some coffee, and then after that I'll show you some of the other stuff in the museum, like my fish. Here's some coffee. Just ignore that and it dropped in the background. Okay, now let's go check out some of the other stuff in the museum. But ignore the lashing rain in the background. But I want to check out my fossils, and my fossils aren't completely ready yet. These are my fish exhibits. Yep, fish. There's not a lot of fish yet. Okay, here's like all my interesting fishes. Okay, now just pop by down to the beach, the two beach areas we have. One of them is more complete than the other. So this is the more complete beach area. Got like some sunny palm trees to relax. Then here's like a well, like a crafting area with some more coffee. And then here's like, this used to be where my little paradise area was, but then I had to change it. Here's like our second beach area. It's less complete. And then if you pop down to the other side of the island, oh hi! Dollar, yeah. And then that should be about it for our island. Hope you enjoyed this video.